Magsiswimming tayo sa beach for today! Good morning guys! It's day 2 of our Boracay series. Kakagising lang namin and it's 7 o'clock in the morning and bababa na kami. Ita-try namin ang kanilang breakfast buffet. And after that, babalik tayo ng beachfront kasi today magsiswimming na tayo sa beach. Let's go! Dito guys sa Lime Hotel, ang kanilang buffet ay nasa ground floor. Meron silang elevator, though madami silang stairs pero meron namang elevator for your luggages kung meron kayong dalang luggages. Pero yung cons dito is kung may dala kayong elderly, parang hindi siya masyadong advisable kasi going to the lobby, kailangan mo mag-stairs. Bukas na. Okay na to. Let's eat guys. So ang breakfast na sinaserve dito is very continental breakfast. It's like the usual Filipino breakfast like corned beef, rice, omelette, fish fillet, ganun. Tapos meron din pala sila guys coffee station and fruits. Breakfast pa lang guys, ang dami ko nang kinuhang pagkain. Para late na ang lunch mamaya. Hi guys, it's already 10 o'clock in the morning and naglalakad ulit kami papunta ng beach because finally magsiswimming na tayo. Right after ng breakfast kanina, bumalik lang ulit kami sa my hotel room, nagpahinga tapos umidlip. Then after nun, nagpalit na kami ng swimming attire, OOTD kasi magsiswimming tayo sa beach. Thank goodness we are graced again with the good weather kasi kagabi diba nakwento ko umulan kaya kami napauwi ng hotel. It ended our day 1 pero thank goodness umaaraw na naman, so it's a perfect day for swimming. So let's go. Done na kami guys kumain ng lunch sa may Island Chicken Inasal and the hype lives to it. Pag nag-check ka ng TikTok, isa siya sa mga nire-recommend na restaurants here sa Boracay. Babalik na kami ngayon ng hotel kasi nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko. And I think naiwan ko siya sa maleta somewhere. So yun yung babalikan namin guys sa hotel. Then after that, mag-check na kami ng cafe. Cafe hopping na tayo. So let's go! Hi guys! So we are finally back in our hotel. And today, bayaran na ng utang. Magro-room tour na tayo ng ating hotel room here sa may Lime Hotel Boracay. So start tayo here sa may entrance. Ito yung door. And katabi lang ng door guys, merong mga shelves where you can put your clothes, your shoes. Ito lagayan ng towels. Tapos here yung mga laundry mo, kung gusto mong ilagay here, pwede mong ilagay. Tapos yung hanging rack, pwede mong ihang. Ayan, nakahang na yung mga nasuot namin yesterday. Then, dito tayo sa may CR. Ito guys, ang linis ng CR and ang bango. Merong shower here, dito sa may right side, shower. Then, ito, yung toilet area. Then, ito guys, yung maganda, yung bed. Look. Guys, since ang nabook namin actually na room is superior. But yesterday, na-upgrade tayo, complimentary by the hotel. So, na-upgrade tayo from superior to deluxe. And look guys, yung bed, ang laki. Dalawang queen size, pero ang laki niya guys. Ang lambot. Pwede kang mag-bounce here. Then of course, meron silang TV. Ito, may table and chair din sila kung gusto nyong mag-work here. Then, yan guys, taray, meron pang end table. Ayan, magkabilang side, merong end table. Then, most importantly din, syempre, meron silang patungan ng suitcases. Ayan, nakapato na yung suitcase namin. Then, a full-length body mirror here. Hi! Then, eto guys, merong balcony. Look! Ito ang view natin right outside the hotel. Ayan. Yung sa harap is yung Azalea Hotel. Then, main road na sa may baba. Ayan. Kita mo yung view, ang mountains ng Boracay. Meron pang pa-painting dyan. Hindi yan basta-basta. Textured painting yan, guys. Hindi yan printed. Aside from that, meron din dito yung sink area. And, guys, nabook namin itong hotel sa Agoda for around 8,000 pesos. That is for the entire stay na namin dito ng 4 days here sa may Boracay Island. And yun guys, thankful lang kami kasi na-upgrade yung hotel from superior to deluxe. And ayun, ma-enjoy namin yung bed. Magkaisa kaming bed ni Jules. So yun guys, let's go na sa may beachfront and let's try some cafes. Let's go! First cafe of business, nandito kami sa may Seasons Coffee sa may Station 2. Ang in-order ko ay sea salt latte. Yung kay Jules naman ay
Spanish latte.
Kay Jules ay Spanish latte. So ita-try natin ang kanilang coffee if it's worth it. Medyo pricey siya ha. To be honest, nasa pricey side siya. So let's see kung is it really worth the hype. Cheers! Ang maganda pa dito guys kasi meron silang site kung saan pwede mo makita yung harap ng beach. Pero since popular ata yung area na yon, lahat ng chairs doon ay occupied. Doon nakaupo mostly maraming mga tao. So dito muna kami sa Gedli at i-enjoy namin tong coffee. So yun guys, we finally have a spot here dito na nakaharap sa may beach. Then guys, look at the view right now. Oh my god, ang ganda. Inom ka ng kape tapos while looking at this very ganda na view. Oh my god, this is the holiday that we have wished for. Boracay never fails talaga to amaze people. Kaya binabalik-balikan kahit ng foreigners and even locals, no? So, ang ganda talaga ng Boracay guys, hindi nakupas. So, after neto, pupunta kami ng next place for our Cafe Venture. Cafe Venture! So, see you guys sa next spot. Hello guys. So, nandito na tayo sa my second cafe of our Cafe Venture. Second cafe is Cafe del Sol. Actually, katabi lang siya nung Seasons Cafe. As in, literal na katabi lang. Sa Station 2. I ordered mango cheesecake, a slice of mango cheesecake. Si Jules naman, ang in-order niya ay
Chocolate mousse cake.
a slice of chocolate mousse cake. So, try natin. Kasi drink sa kabila, dito naman, pastry. So, try natin. Pero, bigay muna tayo ng rating dun sa may Season Cafe. I think bibigyan namin siya ng a good 7.5 out of 10.
Yung sa akin, na-rate ko. Check my IG
Okay.
account.
Ayan guys. For me, it's a good 8 over 10. For me 8 over 10. Kasi maganda yung aesthetic ng cafe. Very chill, very laid back. I can't say laid. Basta very chill. Tapos very comfy din yung vibes. Pero yung overall lasa ng coffee, it's very typical coffee na lasa, no? So I think you're buying for the experience as well as the aesthetic of the coffee shop. Yun, so a good 8 over 10 sa'yo, Jules.
7.5.
Because?
Yung same lang din. Walang special or uniqueness sa coffee. Tapos, maganda lang yung vibe and beachfront kasi, beachfront view.
So yun guys, sa akin 8, kay Jules 7.5. Tignan naman natin ang magiging rating natin dito sa my Cafe del Sol for pastry. So, tayo natin yung order natin guys. First impression guys, ang laki ng cakes. Worth it na for its price. Tapos, tingnan nyo guys yung mango cheesecake. Nagji-jiggle-jiggle. Itong slice of mango cheesecake, it's 200. While itong chocolate mousse is 180. Very worth it na, di ba? Mas malaki pa nga sa slices ng Starbucks. Sarap ng mango cheesecake ha. Hindi siya yung overpowering na tamis na nakakaumay. No? Pero mas nalalasahan ko yung cream compared sa mango. Mali ba ako?
Sa akin, wala sa ako yung
Mango. Ako cream yung nalalasahan ko. Try natin guys yung chocolate mousse. Ang lamot din ito Masarap siya kasi hindi nakakaumay yung tamis. So far guys, yung price, it's a good 8.5 over 10. Yung lasa, masarap. Hindi siya nakakaumay na tamis. I'll give it 9 over 10. Yung lasa. Sarap. Dito na tayo guys sa may Station 1 and ito ang situation here. Ang dami guys nagpaparaw sailing. Dami din palang tao dito sa Station 1. Nakikita niyo na ba yung grotto? Ayun sa unahan. Yan. Ang dami ding nag-aabang ng sunset dito guys sa Station 1. Hi guys, it's 8:20 in the evening. And lalabas na tayo for dinner. Let's see kung saan naman tayo kakain tonight. we are here in Jammers. Dito tayo magdi-dinner. We ordered yung best seller nila, which is yung Jamaican jerky chicken. And umorder din kami guys ng tomato pasta and quesadilla. Nakikita namin tong restaurant na to all over TikTok. It's one of the rated restaurants here in terms of aesthetic and flavor. So yun lang ita-try natin tonight for dinner. Here's our food guys. Ito yung cheese quesadilla, tomato pasta, and Jamaican jerky chicken. Try natin guys yung quesadilla. Sakto nga lang. Kumakain kang puwet?
No. Oh, you ano ka nga? NTRC bigay.
We're done na with our dinner and then we are walking back to the hotel. And super active ng nightlife dito guys sa may Boracay. Like the colors of the bars, you know, the sounds, the music, yung mga night bands. Ang dami guys. Nakakamiss. Diretso tayo. Every night may mga live bands talaga silang ino-offer. Parang naging competition na din siya ng mga bars na and mga live singing. Nakakamiss yung nightlife sa island. Chachas guys, kung saan tayo nag-dinner kagabi. Okay guys, so we're finally back here in the hotel and that ends day 2 of our Boracay series. Ang ginawa lang natin today, nag-swimming lang tayo and we tried different cafes and restaurants here in Boracay. And tomorrow, bantayan nyo kasi another cafe and restaurant test na naman tayo bukas. It's another start of our cafe venture again tomorrow. Kasi pag nandito kayo sa Boracay, aside from the fun activities, because pag nandito kayo sa may Boracay, aside from the fun activities that you can do is ginawa lang natin today is nag-swimming tayo sa may beach and we tried cafes and restaurants here. And tomorrow guys, stay tuned kasi it's another restaurant and cafes na itatry naman natin. So aside from the activities na pwede nyong matry here sa may Boracay, madami ding cafes and restaurants kayong pwedeng matry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na meron tayong bagong upload. And don't forget guys to follow me on my other social media accounts para updated kayo on my other ganaps. So yun lang muna guys. Bye! Hi guys! Good morning! It's day 3 of our Boracay series vlog and it's already 11 o'clock in the morning. After kanina guys ng breakfast, umakyat lang ulit kami sa room tapos natulog talaga kami for an entire 2 hours after that. Then eto, nag-freshen up na kami, pupunta kami naman ng Bulabog. Doon naman kami magta-try ng restaurants doon sa area na yon. So, let's go. Magbubuk tayo guys, magpapara tayo guys ng e-trike papunta doon. Kasi medyo mainit and after nating ma-explore yung area doon, saka na lang tayo maglakad doon sa my beachfront. So, let's go. Ayan, sakto.
Pero sa Bulabog lang po.
We're here guys sa may Bulabog Beach na area. So mostly dito are mga ano no, parang mga high-end. Hindi naman high-end. Parang more on the pricier side na siguro mga hotels dito. And kung ano yung ino-offer na services dun sa may White Beach area, meron din naman dito. Like nag-offer ng activities, yung hair braids, something like that. Pero ayun no, yung natumbang
Ayan, oo dyan.
natumbang niyo.
Haba ng pila dito.
Oh,
So, mapapicture?
mamaya na.
May pila.
And konti lang guys yung tao dito. Dito ata guys yung popular na photo spot, yung may leaning na coconut tree. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung pila, madami na. Madaming gustong magpa-picture dun sa may leaning coconut tree by the beach. Ayan. Ang ganda ng hotel guys. Oh,
Medyo ano pa nga lang, mahal.
it's giving
So, walking distance.
it's giving expensive. Ay, dito ba nakastay yung mga nandito? Taray, yayaman na yun. Dito naman tayo guys sa kabilang side ng Boracay Island. Let's see kung ano namang ma-offer ditong side. Pero tahimik dito, no? Calmer.
Banana Bay.
Much calmer.
Monkey tree. Sabi, anong kung okay din dito
Monkey tree.
yung food dyan, monkey tree. Pero,
Ay, nice. Yan guys, Monkey Tree Cafe and Bar. Pero ang gusto naming puntahan is yung Black Cat Cafe.
Black Ati.
It's Black Attic Cafe.
Eme ka pa.
Siguro guys yung Black Attic nasa taas pa ng bundok. Chares. Dito,
Medyo walking distance pa siya.
walking distance. Ganun ata talaga guys dito sa Bulabog. Kung gusto mo ng murang, yung affordable na cafe, kailangan mo lakarin.
Saka
Kasi,
siya, mas tahimik kasi
ayun.
hindi gano'ng marami. Or,
Yes, calmer.
compared to sa White Beach kasi na super,
Mm-mm.
na super ano na siya. Super crowded.
Mm-mm. Hindi na nagsalita. Yun guys, dito sa Bulabog area, ang calm. Kalmado lang talaga dito. Hindi tulad dun sa may White Beach area na super crowded. Dito super tahimik. Yan o, naririnig nyo, may mga ibon-ibon. Though, kailangan mo lang maglakad kung maglakad pa loob para ma-check yung cafes doon. Kita mo yung hinihingal na ako.
Tama ba ba?
Nasa tamang lugar ba tayo? Nasa tamang landas? Ha? Baka nagsara na yun.
Ano? Tama naman yung daan.
Tama. Natatahak naman natin siya. Baka doon sa unahan. Ang tahimik dito, no? Parang, may ilaw naman pala. Ito yung ilaw. Sabihin ko sana, paano kaya paggabi dito? Parang ang dilim. Para ma-try naman yung cafe dito sa Bulabog area, kailangan nyo lang
Naka-vlog.
kailangan nyo lang maglakad talaga pa loob. Sabihin nyo sa may e-trike, punta kayo ng Bulabog. Pagbaba nyo, may makikita kayong I Heart Boracay doon. Tapos sasabihin naman nila may isang parang paved na nadaanan, dire-diretso lang daw papunta doon. Tapos doon yun na daw makikita yung mga cafes. Though may mga cafes na doon sa may unahan, pero parang leaning much more on the expensive price. Ayun, nakikita na namin yung Black Attic.
Okay.
Pero kung gusto niyo ng much more average yung price, kailangan nyo lang maglakad pa loob. So ayun guys, nakikita na namin yung Black Attic. Di ko lang sure. Ayun, Black Attic right there. Dito ata yung pag may nagpa-party, pag Boracay dito. Ditong area. Not sure. Ito yung harap ng Black Attic. Look! Tignan nyo guys, oh. Ang tahimik ditong area. wala ka masyadong makikitang tao right here. 'Di ba? Very, very kalmado and zero crowds. Like, look. Damn. Ang ganda nitong area, guys. Like, look. Ayan. Di ko lang sure, guys, kung pwede kang maligo dito pag hindi ka naka-check-in dito sa isa sa mga hotels dito. Hindi ko lang sure. Kasi parang ang private na ng dating, di ba? Ang tahimik. Wala ka makikitang crowd right here. Yan, yung makikita mo lang naliligo yung mga naka-check-in sa hotel. So, di ko sure kung pwede ka maligo dito. Yan. So, we're here na sa may Black Attic Cocktail Lounge. Here's the menu, guys. Oh, yung mura lang ng coffee here. For rice meals, Filipino, international, starters, salads meron din. Pero I'm craving for pasta. Let's see. Okay, pasta. Parang gusto ko nung bolognese meatballs.
One pasta.
Hawaiian pizza.
Ice, 130 ice po. Then isang bolognese meatballs sa Hawaiian.
Yes. Thank you so much. Hala, ang cute. May fish. Taray, diba? So far, ang ganda ng interior na itong cafe. Punta naman tayo, guys, sa second floor. Actually, meron pang mas mataas na floors. Pero sarado dong part na area na doon. Ay, taray, may bathtub dun sa loob. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan, may bathtub. Shala. Wow, ang lawak. Super spacious, guys. Then, dito sa may second floor, you're facing the front view of the beach. Like, look. Slaying. Baba na tayo, guys. Okay. Sarap ng meatball. Let's try the pizza. And guys, pet friendly din sila. Kasi merong dito, dalawang doggos na bit-bit ng guests. Dalawang malalaking doggos. So, pwede yung mga pets dito sa Black Attic Cafe. Hindi ko lang sure kung pwedeng maligo dito sa harap na hindi ikaw yung nakastay dito sa Aqua Boracay. Ganun.
Mahirap.
No? Parang hindi nila ata pinapayagan.
Kung saan ka nakastay pa.
Yung doon, tapos dito ka maliligo. Kasi walang tao dyan, no? Parang private. Pwede?
Pero at your own Good hassle mo na.
Kala ko kasi parang sisitahin ka ganun. Kasi tatanungin ka muna nila kung saan ka nakastay. Ganun, hindi naman. Tapos na kami, guys, kumain sa may Black Attic Cafe. And overall experience, masarap siya, guys. But, it's not on the budget-friendly side. Kasi, if you are going to Boracay, tapos budgeted lang kayo, hindi siya recommended kasi medyo on the pricier side yung menu nila. And, kung pumunta naman kayo dito sa Boracay para matry yung mga different cafes and restaurants, I highly recommend na i-try nyo yung Black Attic Cafe. Kasi masarap, especially yung bolognese pasta. Try nyo, guys, masarap. Lalo na yung meatballs. Masarap siya. And the pizza, the Hawaiian pizza, masarap din. Isang order ng pasta, guys. Pwede na siya ma-share for 2 people. Yeah. So, ang total bill namin is like around 1,500. And right now, naglalakad kami dun pa sa may unahan na area. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga cafes na nandun na pwede nating i-try. Let's go! Hi! For two? Thank you. Dito na kami sa may Calma Cafe. Dito lang siya actually sa unahan ng The Black Attic. Like a few steps away. In order ko lang guys ay lemon iced tea or lemon juice. Kasi busog pa kami coming from The Black Attic Cafe. So pang-cleanse lang ng palate. Yung mga ganong keme-kemeru. Ang aesthetic ng cafe is very naturesque. Like, kita nyo yung nasa likod, that's rock formations. Rock formations! Nasa likod is bundok ata ito eh. Yung nasa likod ay parang part na siya ng bundok, guys, kasi bato-bato na siya. Umorder kami ng brioche. Ayan. Si Jules nagkape ulit. Hindi siya nagsawa sa kape. Gusto niya gising na gising siya sa last full day here sa Boracay. Kaya nagkape siya ulit. Ano nga to kape mo, Mal?
Sky.
Sky?
Thai.
Thai. In order ni Jules, guys, ay Biscoff coffee. Invento. Okay, let's try the brioche. With Nutella and banana. Done na tayo guys. Ganun yung kamay. So done na tayo guys with our restaurant slash cafe venture here sa may Bulabog area. We've tried the Black Attic Cafe as well as the Calma Cafe. Calma Cafe is more on the affordable side. Maganda din naman yung ambience doon. It's very mix of nature. Kasi kita mo nga, di ba, sa mix of nature and basta maganda yung aesthetic doon, guys, kasi may pagka-naturesque. Ganun na lang. Yung hindi siya, guys, super heavily constructed na sementado and everything, doon may touch of kahoy-kahoy and trees. Tapos yung maganda doon, guys, kasi may coconut tree doon, hindi nila pinutol. Naka ano lang siya doon, preserved siya doon. Alam mo yung sa Siquijor, guys, yung may cafe doon na may net na pwede kang maghiga and lambitin. Ice cream, I want ice cream. Naambon na naman. Nakita nyo ba yun, guys? Ang ganda ng katawan, pogi pa, Koreano.
Ano mahal? Doon na naman lang sa beach side.
We're here na, guys, sa may D-Mall. And maglalakad lang kami sa may beachfront area pabalik ng hotel. We are going to rest a bit. Then after nun, sabak na naman for adventure. Medyo unpredictable yung weather ngayon, guys, no? Kasi umuulan, pero umiinit. Tapos uulan na naman. It's like ambon level, like that. Then after nun, iinit, then aambon na naman. Quite unpredictable ang weather today. Unlike for the past few days na mainit lang talaga siya all throughout. Hi guys! So we're finally back in the hotel. Yan, kita yung sunburn ng atin yung girl. Mahapdi siya kanina, guys. Lagyan ko na siya ng aloe vera na gel para mag-lessen yung sunburn pero mahapdi pa din. So, while we are in the hotel guys, we are now planning our itinerary for our next trip, which will be happening very soon, early next year. It's going to be a remarkable trip. And ngayon pa lang, pinaplano na namin ang aming itinerary because it's going to be a quite long trip and gusto namin masulit lahat ng araw for that trip. Puro trip. Trip. Ibon ka, girl. Yun. Yun. Pinaplano na namin siya ngayon pa lang para next time or may maisip kaming any adjustments sa itinerary, madali na lang kasi meron na kaming parang baseline. Look forward you guys itong trip na to because this is going to be exciting. It's going to be amazing and it's going to be cold. Ayun, meron na kayong hint. Mamayang konti, babalik na kami ulit sa my beachfront. We're going to watch the sunset again. Bahala kayong marinde kasi yun ang plan namin actually dito sa may Boracay. It's going to be a chill itinerary, walang island hopping or anything. This is going to be like a chill vibe lang na trip. Hi guys! We are back. Dito kami ngayon sa may Station 3. Maglalakad ulit kami pa D-Mall. Bumalik kami dito mga around 5 or hindi, mga around 4:30 kasi sana mag-check ulit kami ng sunset. Pero unfortunately, walang sunset ngayon kasi cloudy. Bumalik kami guys sa may lunch kami na sa for dinner. Dito namin na bumalik kasi the first time na kumain kami dito, may katabi kaming order na for barbecue and natakang kami ni Jules. Kaya sabi namin bakalit kami dito try namin yung barbecue. Bumalik kami ngayon, walang available na for barbecue. Itatry na namin ang pangalawa sa tatlong mamas here sa may Boracay. The first mama na na-try natin was Mango Mama nung first night natin here. And ngayon naman itatry natin yung Coco Mama which is dito lang sa may Station 2, dito sa may D-Mall.
Mas masarap yung itong coconut ice cream.
Okay. Try ko yung pandan ice cream naman. For me, mas masarap yung coconut ice cream.
Maganda yung mixture ng coconut and mango.
Yung isang order guys, pwede siyang ma-share for 2 people. Actually, pwede siyang for 3, no?
3 or 4.
Good for 3 to 4 persons.
Kung hindi malakas.
Kasi it's 320 pesos tapos merong 4 scoops of ice cream. You can choose either gusto nyong flavor lang is coconut, pandan, or mixed flavors ng ice cream. Compared sa
Mango.
sa Mango Mama,
Better.
mas masarap yung Mango Mama. Best island dessert. So tomorrow, tatry naman namin yung last ng tatlo sa Mama, which is Ube Mama. Pa-picture tayo. Hi! Okay guys, so today ang ating last full day here sa may Boracay and that ends our 3rd Boracay vlog series. Ang ginawa lang natin today ay kinontinue natin ang ating cafe ventures. This time, pumunta naman tayo sa may Bulabog Beach para matry ang other cafes over there. So guys, tomorrow, babalik na tayo sa Manila. Uuwi na tayo. Oh, so sad. But, before tayo umuwi, may try tayong hotel amenity bukas. So stay tuned for that on the next vlog. So okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na meron tayong bagong upload. And don't forget to follow me as well on my other social media accounts. So stay tuned on the next vlog. Bye!